Yo, bro, have you ever been in that situation where you text a girl and she replies, but it's dry? Or worse, she takes forever to respond? And meanwhile, you can't stop thinking about her. Annoying, right? But what if I told you there's a way to flip the script? To make her the one who can't stop thinking about you? Sounds good? Then keep watching, because today I'm breaking down the exact moves that make women obsess over you. 1. Become her unfinished story. Listen, women get hooked on mystery. If you give her everything up front, your life story, your emotions, your full attention, she has nothing to wonder about. And guess what? If there's nothing to wonder about, she won't be thinking about you. Instead, leave some gaps. Be the unfinished book in her mind. Drop small hints about your life, your passions, your goals, but never everything at once. Let her fill in the blanks, and she'll naturally start thinking about you more. Example, instead of saying, "Yeah, I love traveling," say, "Man, I had the craziest experience in Bali. I'll tell you about it sometime." Now she's curious. She's waiting for that story. 2. Flip the attention game. Most dudes chase women like a puppy chasing a treat. Texting first. Double texting. Asking, "Do you like me?" Bruh, stop that. Here's what you do instead. Give her a taste of attention, then pull back. Text her with energy, then disappear for a bit. Be fun and engaging in person, but end the conversation first. Give her a tease, then move on. Women want what they can't fully have. If she starts thinking, "Wait, why isn't he chasing me?" Boom. She's hooked. Example, she sends you a funny meme. Instead of just LOL, say, "You're actually kind of funny. Might have to keep you around, playful." Confident. Leaves her wanting more. 3. Live an unforgettable life. The biggest turnoff for women? A guy whose whole world revolves around them. You need a life that's so dope, she wants to be a part of it. Women are drawn to men who have goals they're chasing, hobbies they love, a social life that's poppin'. If you're always available, always waiting for her text, she knows she has you. But if you're out there building your dream, working out, traveling, making moves, she's gonna be sitting there thinking, "Damn, I hope he texts me." Pro move. Post stories of you doing cool sh*t, gym, out with friends, traveling. Let her see that your life is exciting with or without her. 4. Create emotional highs and lows. Women don't remember the guy who made them feel nice. They remember the guy who made them feel something strong. Now, don't get it twisted. I'm not saying be toxic. I'm saying create moments that stand out. Challenge her. If she brags about something, playfully say, "I don't believe you." Prove it. Surprise her. If she always expects text at night, send her a random voice note in the afternoon. Break routine. If you always text her, go silent for a day. Let her feel that gap. Why? Because when someone makes you feel a mix of emotions, they stay in your head longer. And that's exactly where you want to be. 5. Be the guy she feels safe with. Women may be drawn to mystery and confidence, but what keeps them hooked? Emotional safety. If she feels like she can be herself around you, she'll crave your presence. This means listening without judging, keeping her secret safe, being playful but knowing when to be real. A guy who can be both exciting and emotionally secure is rare, and rare equals unforgettable. So there you have it. 5 powerful ways to make her think about you nonstop. It's not about chasing, begging, or over-texting. It's about becoming a man she can't ignore. Which one of these tips are you going to try first? Drop a comment below. And if you're serious about leveling up your confidence in relationships, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.